Hello everyone, welcome to iCraft Design channel, and today I've got another new product for you. That's a glass mirror beads. Yes, you all have used this one product, but today I've got this into different shapes and colors, and the colors are so pretty and amazing that you can't say no. So let me show you this one. This is a purple color into round shape. I have a green color square shape. So all the colors available in all the shapes. Red color with the drop shape. And the best part of this one, the finishing of this mirrors are really beautiful, more perfect and more accurate than anything else. So here this is a beautiful floral diya shape. So let me show you the finishing and cut of this one mirrors. So these are very accurate and a nice finish. And it comes with a protected layer on the top, which you can remove after sticking, and it gives you amazing gloss. Look at the mirror finish of this one, and the colors what you get is really gonna give your project absolutely beautiful, stunning look. So let's see how we can use this one. So today I'm gonna make one beautiful mandala using all these colorful mirrors. So to stick this mirror, you will need any paper glue, works very well on it. So you really don't need any special adhesive for this. Start with the center. These are perfect for your mandala work, for your lip art work, or for any traditional work you're doing with your glass mirror beads. You can use the same mirror with the colors and different shapes here. So I'm creating a flower shape. You can keep adjusting the shape properly and create a beautiful flower using these. And the best part, the shapes are very accurate, and each and every mirror is of the same size. So you really don't have to work very hard or struggle for the getting perfect shape. So after this, now we will start using our circles. I've already given some pencil marking for perfect shape. In circle, you get a small and big, both the sizes. Now using pointed mirrors, we will be creating flower shape here. So do let me know in comment how did you like this one. So this is very beautiful and it has a more versatile options because it's a different from the alternative. It's giving you the color effect. It's very accurate in shape and the sizes, and the gloss has very beautiful on this mirror, and it comes with a protected film which you can remove after making it, so even it doesn't give you a scratch on your mirrors. So now let's remove the film from the top. So it comes with a protected film and we will remove each and every film from the top. So here is a final look after removing the plastic film from the top. It's giving the beautiful gloss and shine both. It's a very different and amazing product, especially for the colors and the shape what we regularly don't get in the regular mirrors. So we have created some more project using the similar mirror. Here in the platter we have used this green color. So you can choose as per your combination of flowers and article the color combinations, which it doesn't have any limitations. Here we have chosen the purple color because the flower shade was purple, and we have used all the shapes like square, drop, circle and different sizes. Here we have used the purple shade into a fridge magnet, giving a completely Indian look. So do let me know in comment how did you like this one.